What is a pillow katana? Since ancient times, katana were not just weapons, but were dedicated to the gods as ritual objects. So the Japanese people believed that the katana had spiritual power, and therefore could ward off evil spirits. The custom of believing in this power has remained even today, and is known as the Makura-gatana. It is said to have originated from katana being placed on the chest of warriors who died on the battlefield, or from samurai keeping a katana nearby when they went to bed. Nowadays, a Makura-gatana is a katana placed on the futon bed, where the passed ones are laid to rest, or on the coffin to keep the evil spirits away from the deceased. In general, the company conducting a funeral will prepare a short katana, but sometimes the deceased beloved sword or guardian sword is used in a funeral as Makura-gatana. So please don't worry. The real pillows the passed ones sleep on are nice and fluffy.